Your customer just replied with the latest in a series of screenshots. But with each message, there are 5 more useless social icons from their email signature, leaving your files related list a complete disaster. FileSlayer's Slaybot automatically deletes useless social icons. Your team doesn't have to waste time searching through the clutter for what they need, which reduces case handle time and saves on expensive file storage fees. To enable Slaybot for FileSlayer, switch on the Enable Slaybot global setting. Then, from Lightning App Builder, edit the FileSlayer component in the page layout and click the checkbox for Slaybot Enabled. How would you use Slaybot for FileSlayer to improve your service experience?